It ought to be a fun. I gotta get some coffee. This is just wrong. Saturday morning, no coffee yet. Let's go make some coffee. Hey guys, good morning. It's Saturday. Today we're going to be making a dog ramp for my sweet dog Mildred. We're gonna make a ramp in the garage. She can go out a dog door, onto the ramp, down the ramp, out another dog door, have access to the yard. Little dog door, only Mildred can go through. Big dog's not coming through. This is the area. 3 ramps. 3 turn ramp, or should I just do 2? Let's do 3. I like everything about you. Whoa. Everything about you. Constantly checking this thing to make sure I'm not oversized or wrong angle. Keep checking it and making sure it's right. Everything about you. Everything about you. Very hot out here. It's time to start connecting all the pieces together. It looks huge. Look at this thing. 48 inches. 48 by 42 inches. Where are you going? Where are you going? 48 by 42 inches. That's a pretty big dog ramp. I'm gonna start connecting these things, nailed together. Hopefully I'll be able to lift it once it's built. It's pretty big. All right, I'm gonna go, let's carry this thing in there and see how she fits. How do we carry this thing in there? Yeah, this is not the smartest idea. Couple things I don't like right off the rip. Certainly trip somebody. So let's take it back out there and make some modifications. I like everything oh man, cracked my screen and everything. Heck, I think it still works. A little crack in the screen, no big deal. The modifications are done. Let's on to the next part. Supports inside the ramps. It's just gonna be awesome. Where's my charger? that's all for phase 1. Now I'm going to fill nail holes with Bondo, let that dry, sand it off. I just lost my shade. This huge tree gives me shade. Time to move into the garage, do a little Bondoing, little sanding, little painting. It's coming right along. So it's very hot. I'm gonna take a break and drink some coffee, move inside. Gloss Mambo Pink. After I got that coat of paint on there, first coat of paint's on, time for the next step, the actual ramp part. I'm gonna take these sections, every different section right here, and wrap them in this Eco Rug, indoor outdoor, made from 100% post-consumer plastic drinking bottles. There's all the sections. That's every section for the ramp. Now another coat of paint. Gonna need a third coat here in a little while, so I'm gonna let that dry. While it's drying, we're gonna install a doggy door. Don't tell Millie, it's a big cat door. Time for the last coat of paint. Spray that on and then install the second doggy door. Second big cat door. I think it's dry enough, finally time. We're putting all the panels first and then shoot them and then set her in place. Let's do that. Let's go see how it looks in the garage. Oh heck, it's heavy. Well, until next time, that's Tupac. Keep your head up. About you.